black hearts of the dark land. Hey dear unique, dear friend, welcome to my channel. This is Amira. Your life should be based on your own rules, because this is your life. It's yours, your share. Take care of it. Take care of yourself. Take care of your life. Play with any pet who wants to play with you. Just listen to me. Under no circumstances should not you ever give up on yourself or give up on the desires, goals, dreams, wishes that you know you have capabilities to have and can have for yourself if you try, Because I said before, the people in the dark land, the land of darkness, they want to destroy you by deceiving you, by even loving you, fake love, by stopping you when it was not possible, by mocking you, by slandering you, by speaking vulgarly. And yet when they saw you rise up after all the wounds and blues they inflicted, you rose up again. They slander and plot and conspire to destroy you. They use any way they can, any weapon to destroy you, to destroy your self-esteem, your self-confidence, to destroy your pride, to break you down in every way possible, mentally, physically, so that you lose your self-confidence in every field where you have talent and a skill. They weaken you to crush you. If you get up again, they will play any game, a game of love, fake love, or any other game. If they don't succeed in reaching the final stage, oh honey, do you know why? Do you know what they will do to you? They will destroy you until you are no more. Then what? Then they will breathe a sigh of relief. Yes, these black hearts of the dark land. I will tell you more about them and about the dark land. Yes, just take care of yourself and your life. Never give up on yourself, okay? Dear Unique, thank you for being here, for supporting me, for watching my videos, for listening to my videos, and always remember there is only one you, okay? I love you. Bye.